All right, so I'm back again. This is my next project that I was talking about earlier. I finished the welcome sign and the welcome sign looks wonderful. I just have to add the flowers on there. So this is going to be our card box. So I wanted something unique. And of course I already taped it off because I'm going to transform it. So this will be the before, and I actually end up getting this at Tuesday morning. Just so you know, we can have something that's sturdy, so we can just pick up and go whenever the wedding reception is finished. But people will just have to open it, drop the cards in. Really, really cute. So I didn't plan on doing this, but I'm gonna try to stain it just how I did the welcome sign, just so it can kind of match. Like I said, my wedding theme is kind of bohemian. I want a lot of flowers and a lot of greenery there. So just to give it that rustic look. And I also got some metallic, like a rust color paint, acrylic paint. So we need that. And for this project, you'll need some kind of box, lantern. I've seen some people use the plant terrariums. Those are really good as well. Painter's tape, just to, as you can see, block the glass so you won't get any paint on the glass. Paint brushes so you can paint. And yeah, like I said, once again, I got this box from Tuesday morning. Really inexpensive. And we're just gonna see how it turns out. Hopefully the stain will look good on this. I'm hoping it do, because I don't know what to do if it doesn't look good. And I think my fiance would be mad that we spent money and I messed up the box. But all right, let's get started. All right, so the next step that I'm gonna do, I'm going to paint the white part, this kind of rustic metallic color. All of the white that you see will be painted. So I think I'm going to try to start in the inside and then work on the outside, because I know I'll have to touch around the outside first. And definitely to make sure. But as you can see, the stain did take to the wood and it looks exactly how I want it to look. Darker. So next step. Not a fan of this paint that I got at all. It just doesn't really look right. And yeah, it's starting to look real, I don't know. I don't like it. So I just remembered that I have some, that's why I have an apron on, because I don't want it to get messy. That I have some gold metallic spray paint. So instead of painting it that rustic color, I'm just gonna go outside and spray paint it right quick to see if that can change anything. And then I'll probably go over it with some gold as well, but I don't know. All right, y'all, so I am back. I've spray painted the box with gold and it looks so much better than whatever the heck I had going on earlier. So this is what it looks like. I had to put paper and stuff in the inside, so I noticed that the glass was getting spray paint on there, but no worries. I already looked up how to get that off. So I'm just gonna remove the tape for now. Try to get the glass clean while everything is still drying. But definitely make sure that you tape off, because if I didn't have this taped off, it would have been a hot mess. But it looks wonderful. I'm very impressed so far. Alright, so we are off to the final step. That really didn't take that long. And actually, this dries really fast, because as you can see, everything is pretty much dry. I'm happy I used the spray paint instead of the actual paint. And I also use an acrylic sealer, clear acrylic sealer, just to spray it on there to make sure like it doesn't get any scratches or whatever. But this is it. It looks really, really good. I'm really, really excited. So the next thing I'm going to do, of course, I'm going to add something that says cards and add something here. So I'm going to measure, and then I'm going to put it on the Cricut design space and cut it out. And done, and I am so excited because it turned out so good. The stain is still a little wet, so be sure to let that dry. And I'm trying to pick this up, but I just wanted to show you guys the front after I added the vinyl to the box, and it looks gorgeous. That's like styrofoam in the inside. I'm not gonna take it out just yet, but I mean, it turned out really, really cute. I'm so excited. And then it's gonna look really, really cute. And people can just drop all their cards in there. And this just gives whoever's gonna pick up our stuff afterwards easy to carry and make sure it gets delivered to us. So yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, that was 2 projects in one day. And it literally took me all day. So bye-bye. Thanks for watching.